Hi friends, let us solve this problem. We have m under root 1 plus x whole square minus m under root 1 minus x whole square equals m under root 1 minus x square. This is 1 square minus x square, right? We have 1 plus x, we have 1 minus x, and we have 1 minus x, which is 1 minus x into 1 plus x. At the same time, we have squares here, right? We have squares here. Let us exploit this situation to convert this into a quadratic equation, right? How do we do this? Let us take the middle term and divide all the three terms with this term. Right. Basically, we are dividing left hand side and right hand side with this term. Right. Then what will happen? This will become m under root 1 plus x whole square by 1 plus x by 1 minus x whole square. Right. If we are dividing this term with this term, and this term. Right. So this becomes m under root 1 plus x by 1 minus x whole square. The second term will automatically become minus 1 because this by this is 1 equals m under root 1 minus x square. That is 1 minus x into 1 plus x by 1 minus x whole square. Right. 1 minus x and one of this 1 minus x we can cancel. Then it becomes m under root 1 plus x by this 1 by 1, 1, 1, 1 of this 1 minus x. Here there are two 1 minus x's, right? So what we get m under root 1 plus x by 1 minus x whole square minus 1 equals m under root 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Right. Now how do we convert this into quadratic equation? Right. If we take, so look at this term. This is what? M under root 1 plus x by 1 minus x whole square. Right. Whether we read this 2 first or m first, it doesn't matter. Still, ultimately, it is equal to m under root 1 plus x by 1 minus x whole square. Right. So if you substitute m under root 1 plus x by 1 minus x, if we take this one term as some t, then this is actually t square. So this equation is actually t square minus 1 equals t. Right. So let us substitute that just for our simplicity. Then this equation becomes, if we take an m under root 1 plus x by 1 minus x equals t, becomes t square minus 1 equals t. That means t square minus t minus 1 equals 0. That means minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac, right? What are the roots of this equation? It is t or so minus b, which is 1 plus or minus under root 1 plus 4 by 2. This is 1 plus or minus root 5 by 2. Right. So these are the roots of this equation. But what is this? This is actually m under root 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Right. What does that mean? 1 plus x by 1 minus x is equal to t power m. Right. So what does that mean? 1 plus x equals t power m into 1 minus x. That is 1 plus x is t power m minus t power m x. Right. So what does that mean? X plus t power m. X into 1 plus t power m. We bring this one and this one together. So it becomes x into 1 plus t power m equals t power m minus 1. What does that mean? X equals t power m minus 1 by t power m plus 1. What is our t power m? What is our t? T is 1 plus or minus root 5 by 2. Right. T has two solutions, right? So let us substitute that t here. So that means x has two solutions, right? One, what is the first solution? 1 plus or minus root 5 by 2 power m minus 1 by 1 plus or minus root 5 by 2 power m plus 1. Right? We can take this plus one side one time and minus one time. So we have what? These two solutions depending on m. This problem can be generalized aware and it can be given in exams or in tests that m can be replaced with 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever it is. Right? We have solved the generalized problem. This can be applied anywhere. So this is the final solution. Right? Yes. 1 plus or minus root 5 by 2 whole power n minus 1 by 1 plus or minus root 5 by 2 whole power n plus 1. Right. The trick here is to convert this into quadratic form. Right, guys? Hope you like this. Thank you.